I am Dr. Namita Mathur. I am a private practitioner, plus I am working with an NGO, International Institute of Health and Hygiene. I have to look after the internal aspects of the organization dealing as well as the external aspects, which is the meetings with the government agencies, meetings with the international agencies, different conferences, different meetings and discussions with the organizations, taking up projects and so on and so forth. Since I am a purely medical person, or I would say I was a purely medical person, I was finding it a bit handicap in my dealings with the external organizations as well as the internal accounts and day-to-day running of the organization. I was not doing my accounts, I was not knowing how to deal with people, I was not knowing the administrative aspects of the meetings and conferences, and so many words like sustainabilities and strategies and the business jargon which is used there in the day-to-day practice, I was unaware of that. When my children were grown up, I thought, okay, let me get some additional qualification to equip me to handle my daily routine. So then I looked for MBA which has got something to do with the healthcare. And I found BA Healthcare Services in Sikkim Manipal University. There were few criteria before I selected the Sikkim Manipal University. Firstly, it should be fast. One thing which is really deficient is time. So I could not afford to lose 4 or 5 or 6 years in that. Secondly, the place should be easily accessible to my place of work as well as the residence. Thirdly, the timings and the hours should be flexible. Then fourthly, I wanted a local guidance to guide me about the subjects which I was not knowing. So finally, I zeroed down to Apar India College, which is there in Dwarka, and I'm residing there. My place of work is there and nearby only, so it was quite convenient for me. I gave first 2 semesters simultaneously. I passed them out within 5-6 months. Then I gave my 3rd and 4th semester, and last week only I cleared my whole MBA. So that way I finished off my MBA Healthcare Services in 1.5 years only, which is quite good and quite fast. I would say Sikkim Manipal University, their study material, it was very helpful, it was very clear, and the faculty at Apar India, they were quite good to me because my timings are not regular. During the daytime I used to be free, so I used to go there, I used to bug them, they used to give me the guidance regarding the accounts as well as the economics and so many other things. The teachers, they took pains, they spent time with me, and somehow I passed out, and yes, it has given me a lot of confidence because in this age with grown-up children, and every day they were asking, when are your results coming? They were trying to compare whether a mother only tells us to study or she also studies or not. So now I can say I'm not only a doctor but an administrator also. And in my office also, when the accountants are showing me the files, they are taking the signs, I know what I'm doing. We are having a project for Ministry of Environment also, so I can see through it now. I can go through the project, I can go through the agreement, I can see the things, I can understand them a bit better. I would say definitely things will improve with experience, but otherwise I'm much better off where I started 1.5 years back. After getting through my exams in one go, I can say that I am an achiever and I am from SMU.